yesterday, my mom sang me a really nice song, and I loved it so much, I started to sing it. And my mom told me that my grandma used to sing it to her. So that's why I said, why don't I try it out on the piano? And that's what I did. So I'm going to play that very song for you. It's called Nani, Teri, Morni. Let's get started. So I'm going to play it regularly, and then later I'll show it to you how to play it part by part. That's how you play Nani, Teri, Morni on the piano. Now we're going to play Nani, Teri, Morni ko part by part. So the first line is Nani, Teri, Morni ko mole gaye. Again. The second line is Baki jo bachata kale chole gaye. F F F F F D C D D F D C. Again. F F F F F F D C D D F D C. The third line is Kake pike mote hoke चोर बैठे रेल में. F F G G F F G G F G G A G F F F. Again. F F G G F F G G F G G A G F F F. The fourth line is चोरों वाला डब्बा कट के पहुंचा सीधे जेल में. Again. That's how you play Nani, Teri, Morni part by part on the piano. Now let's play the full song once again. Once again, I made it very easy and clear how to play Nani, Teri, Morni on the piano. So I hope you try this song at home, and I'm pretty sure my mom is going to be really happy with me when she sees the video. Now my brother has something to say.
So in our next video, we are going to come back with our favorite toy. And I think you guys like it too. So, bye guys!